In this section, I will show you how to assign wire numbers to the three-phase bus, and also I'm going to assign wire number to a three-phase motor circuits. To assign wire numbers to the three-phase bus and three-phase motor circuit, the three-phase bus and motor circuit can be used. To do so, from the Insert Wire Numbers drop-down, select Three-Phase tool. Then the three-phase wire numbers dialog box will be displayed. Here you can see three areas. The first one is prefix area. To set prefix value for wire numbers, the prefix area can be used. To select predefined value for the prefix value, you can use List button and choose the desired prefix. As you can see in the wire number frame, the preview of the wire numbers is available here. The selected prefix has been set. The second number is written after prefix value, which is named base of wire number in base area. You can enter the starting number and increase or decrease the base of wire numbers by choosing these arrows. The third part is suffix value. You can enter the suffix value or choose the predefined value for the suffix. In the maximum area, the numbers of wire can be selected. Each number that is chosen, the preview of the values will be updated automatically. Then press OK and select Wire to assign wire number.